This is how the way if I'm very lazy to change my clothes. Like check it out. Good night. Okay guys, welcome back to my channel Fikar Kleng. And today I wanna try to make a magic trick video like as Azhargeh. Okay? And after that I will explain to you how to do that. Okay, don't go anywhere and stay tuned on my YouTube channel. And before we continue to the video, please subscribe here. Okay, stay tuned. Damn! This is how the way if I'm very lazy to change my clothes. Like check it out. Good night. What? I could be late. Okay guys, and that is the videos. And now I want to explain to you how to do that. Okay, for the first video you have to shot like this. Okay, and then you roll until you get down from the bed to the floor. And after that you change your dress like the same color with the bed cover. And then you roll again and reel down like this. So we take twice shot. And for the second video you have to shot like this. When you jump on the bed you just like jump as usual. And after that in the same position and the same camera angle. And then you have to put off your clothes and sleep again on the bed. And after that you have to make an illusion like a real magic. Okay, so that's it. And it will be same for the next video like this. And you have to short more time to change your dress. And for the first time you have to like this, to do acting like this. And after that you cut here and then you use your clothes again and you make an illusion you like looks like doing a real magic. And for the next we just doing the same thing. Put off the dress and use the dress again, cut and cut, so again and again. Just do the same thing like we're doing before. So now you can know how is the Azhargeh magic tricks videos. Very sure you have to make an illusion again like this, and you have to wear this like this. Okay, So when we cut, it's gonna be like this. Alright, so thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos.